Let us look at the next question. When 9.45 grams of ClCH2COOH is added to 500 ml of water, its freezing point drops by 0.5 degree Celsius. Okay, the dissociation constant of ClCH2COOH is x into 10 to the power minus 3. The value of x is, okay, so we are given the mass of your acid which is there, that is 9.45, right. The molar mass of acid over here will be 94.5. okay. So once I get the molar mass, I can calculate the number of moles of this solute, that will be 0.1 moles. Once I have the moles, I can calculate the concentration. Concentration is number of moles upon the volume. Volume is 500 ml into 1000. This will come to 1 by 5, that is 0.2 molar. Okay. So we have got the number of moles, we have got the concentration. We want to calculate the value of dissociation constant, that is Ka. For Ka, we need the value of alpha, right? And for alpha, we need the value of I, right? So what will be the value of I over here? Okay, so we know the relation between alpha and I. So alpha is I minus 1 upon n dash minus 1. N dash is your sum of stoichiometric coefficients. So here we will get I as, so this will be 2 minus 1. So we'll get I as 1 plus alpha. So we have all the ingredients which are ready for the equation of depression in freezing point. So let us substitute everything in that equation and get the value of alpha, right. We will assume that molarity is equal to molality, right. So as we substitute this, we have del Tf is equal to I into Kf into m. So our del Tf is how much? Let us check. Del Tf is 0.5, the value of Kf is 1.86, molarity is 0.2, right. So we substitute this, so this is 0.5, we got I as 1 plus alpha, Kf is 1.86 and molality is 0.2. Once I solve this, I'll get the value of alpha. The value of alpha will be 0.34. So once I get the value of alpha, I'll substitute this in the equation of Ka. Ka is equal to alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha. Now let us substitute the concentration and alpha over here. So once we substitute this, we will get the value of Ka. So this is 0.34 square into 0.2 divided by 1 minus 0.34. So this will give me the value of Ka. Let us look at, we want the value of Ka in terms of, okay, x into 10 to the power minus 3. So on solving this, we will get the value of Ka as 35 into 10 to the power minus 3. So the answer to this question is 35, guys, right. Okay, so it was a lengthy sum, I'll say. You had to find out various things over here, and then we got the answer as 35. Okay, let us look at the next question. The coordination number of an atom in a body centered cubic structure. Oh my god, it's a very simple question, right. So let us simply draw the body centered cubic structure. So we have this cube and there are 8 atoms at 8 corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and there is 1 at the center. So every atom is in contact with 8 guys. So that is your final answer. Okay. Let us look at the next question. Okay. At 1990 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere pressure, there are equal number of Cl2 molecule and Cl atoms in the reaction mixture. The value of Kp for the reaction Cl2 giving you 2Cl under the above condition is x into 10 to the power minus 5. The value of x is, okay. So what they have given us, we have Cl2 giving 2Cl, and they are saying the number of Cl2 molecules and Cl atoms are same. See, if the number of molecules of Cl2 and Cl atoms are same, then definitely then the number of moles will also be same. If the number of moles are same, then I can find out the partial pressure of Cl2, which will be mole fraction of Cl2 into the total pressure. Similarly, I can find out the partial pressure of Cl, which will be mole fraction of Cl into the total pressure. Total pressure over here is 1 atmospheres, right? Let us check the total pressure. That is 1 atmospheres, right? So we will get the partial pressure, number of moles are same. So partial pressure of Cl2 will be 0.5 atm and that of Cl will also be 0.5 atm. So the value of Kp over here will be partial pressure of Cl square divided by partial pressure of Cl2, that will be 0.5 square divided by 0.5. So you will get the value of Kp as 0.5, that can be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 1. So your final answer is 5 guys, right? That is your value of x. Okay. Let us look at the next question.